bumblebee. Trying to get him some supper before, but look. Oh, there was a butterfly. This is a pretty old bumblebee. Look at this bumblebee, y'all. It's very strange looking. Oh, look at him. Isn't he beautiful? Oh, look how big he is. Oh, there's a bunch of mosquitoes around him. Oh. Oh. It'd help if I'd like look at the bumblebee and not the mosquitoes. Sorry. Oh no, those are sweat bees. Ooh, 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 they're sweat bees. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ouch. See the sweat bee there too? I hope they don't get on me. I don't think they will. They're busy eating the flower. Look, bumblebees attacking that flower. I saw him a couple of days ago, and I thought he looked very unusual. Oh, 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 ow, ow, ow. Very close to the bee. Look at that. Look at this bumblebee. Isn't he beautiful? Let's get ready to storm. I hope you have a place to go, Mr. Bumblebee, out of the weather. Look at him, he's going from flower to flower. Oh, let me stand up. Sorry. Oh, where did he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, it's starting to rain. Well, I think he can find him a place to go. There's plenty of places to. Surely he'll go back to his hive. But I find this bee to have very unique markings. Look at him. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a pretty shot there. Oh, shoot. What the hell is that? Oh, there was was a rabbit. Oh, that thing scared me to death. At least I hope it was a rabbit. I don't know what that was. Oh my goodness. Mr. Bumblebee. I was not very situationally aware, was I? It's a good thing that rabbit wasn't a predator. It could have been a bobcat or something. I hope it wasn't a bobcat. I'm sure. Well, I hope it was a rabbit. But he made an awful big noise for a rabbit. He don't seem to be bothered that I'm here jabbering over him. It's starting to rain. That's probably going to annoy him. I gotta get my dog Rex in. Okay, Mr. B. It's great filming you, but I gotta go. I gotta go, Mr. B. I gotta go. How pretty are you? Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Look how cute you are. Oh, just adorable. Oh. All right. Bye, my friend. Have a good night and be safe in the storm. Sci-Fi signing out, y'all. He's so adorable. It's hard to go in. But I got to. Oh, man. It's starting to really rain. Yeah. All right. This is the last one for sure. Bye, B.